Ben, again, come on here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I have a char grilled tilapia that I'm going to be making for you. All the time we char grill it to perfection. Now the tilapia is 100% ordered here all the time. It's very good. Every day it comes in fresh. It's about a 12 ounce to 14 ounce fish. What we serve it is I'll be cooking some artichokes and sun-dried tomatoes. That's called the Islands tilapia. It always comes with roasted potatoes. We Vesuvio it in garlic and olive oil. Or we have another dish with the tilapia. It's a char grilled tilapia. It's with a side of spinach and roasted potatoes as well. I'm going to go back over here, concentrate on the fish. As it's cooking, I'm going to keep talking to you about this tilapia. You can either, we also make it with Cajun, which makes the tilapia a little bit spicier, but I enjoy that the most because it gives you a little kick while you're eating good fish. You always want to add extra virgin olive oil to your fish. It makes the fish more tender as you're eating it. It's excellent. We're going to start here by sauteing the artichoke sun-dried tomatoes. Got a little wrong pan, sorry. %100% extra virgin olive oil. You throw some fresh chopped garlic. But you gotta make sure you keep your eye on the fish 100 times. You have to cook it to perfection by always adding a lot of olive oil to it so the olive oil gets inside the fish. That makes it very tender. What I'm gonna do for you though, I have this special tilapia that I add on. It's with artichokes, spinach, and tomatoes. Put them all together here. Add a little bit of fresh spinach. And you always want to start off by sauteing the artichokes and sun-dried tomatoes first. You always want to add a little fresh garlic pepper. And the key ingredient that makes this is the basil. Any Italian place that you ever go to, if you don't add basil, if you don't see basil on your plate with fish, I don't recommend it. We've been here 13 years in business and the basil has made anything that you Vesuvio style, any mushrooms, peppers, onions, anything. If it doesn't have a touch of basil or a little bit of garlic, I don't recommend it. Tilapia always takes a little bit more time. So as this is sauteing, you always want to take a look at it. Make sure the garlic, you see the garlic's mixing in the dish all the time. The basil shrinks up a little bit because the basil gets inside the sun-dried tomato, the artichoke, and the tomato, the regular tomato. That is sauteing, so you add the spinach. Throw a little garlic pepper in the spinach. Let that go a little bit. You always want to, we always low heat so it sautés very nice. As we're waiting for that, we add some white wine, usually. And the best thing to do you always add your potatoes inside the dish, because with whatever you cook, it mixes inside with the spinach, artichokes, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic pepper. All these ingredients mixes inside the potato. Your spinach gets a taste of the potato, and everything gets a touch. The white wine mixes inside, and it just makes the dish so much more flavorful. We're coming to the end of the tilapia now. I'm gonna get this dish ready for you. This is our tilapia. Like I said, it's about 12 ounces. Now what I tend to do is I always put it right on top. Look at that. And what I do, we put this balsamic glaze over it. That just gives it an extra touch. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, top it all off, just a touch. Your parsley. And like I said, never forget the basil in any dish, just to top it all off. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our baked tilapia at the Islands Cafe that I just cooked for you. Please stop by and visit us. We're located at 13,000 Western York Street in Blue Island, the center of downtown Blue Island. Our prices are very reasonable. We have catering, we do reservations, couples, everybody's welcome here. Number is 708-489-1747. And if you want to fax us down an order, 708-489-1772. And we also have free deliveries. Thank you again.